Thank you so much for your love and support. And once again, we are back with another video tutorial. But this video tutorial is part of the series where I answer your question from the comment. Now, there is a dedicated playlist called Your Comment Answered and pipe symbol Neokloud. So, wherever queries you drop in the comments, I will pick them up here. The query is CPU was 4. If we keep 20% overhead after calculation, it comes around 1067 amp per pod. But in the deployment YAML, CPU limit is already set to 600 amp and request is set to 250 amp for both the container and init container. Means same memory and limit, request and limit we can use. The calculated value is more than the request and the limit. How should we divide resources in such scenarios? Okay, so request comes like this 1067. So it is little bit conflicting, means if you got this limit and still the pod is in pending states. So first we have to keep the flow. First of all, just I will run one deployment. For the sake of simplicity, here I will divide all the values by the 4. So CPU is already set to 600. So I will divide it to, so it will 150. And limit is set to 150 and request is set to, I will divide it by 4. So it would come around 6, what it could be by 4, 62.5. Okay, so I'll take it at 62. So I'll make a deployment file and I'll paste this thing, deployment file. So deployment is created. Now I'll control K get pods. So it will take a little time to create these pods. Now I'll check all the pods are running. So get deployment apps. So 3 out of 3 is working. So we have to be in a flow. First, get nodes. So get nodes. So here are 2 nodes. Now get pod hyphen o wide. Why I am choosing this? Because I want to know where the which node it using. So it is using node 1. So we need to describe node 1. Get describe node 01. So I'm making it little smaller so that you can understand. So here so many things are there to confuse. So this is the main thing we take. Okay, and here it is giving that this much is the current. So here all pod is running. You will see here all information is there. So this already written here that total limit may be over 100%. So limit could be over committed, but not the request. Request should be within the 100%. It is also there mentioned in our tutorial also. So I will just, CPU is here and the question is, it is already more than what we have calculated. So pod should not be in the pending state. Then I think there should not be any edit required. If the question is asked like if nothing in the pending state and is the number is not given, we cannot conclude means what to do. But if the pod is in pending state, like I will edit replicas to 0. Okay, now I'll edit, sorry, here I will edit that here I will edit request to, let's say, 300, and in it also let's say 300. Sorry, is it not required? Limit I should not touch a limit. This is 300 m. So if this is actually not the good scenario, because this limit should be more than this request. So I'll make it 400. Okay, 400. Now I'll see K. So you are seeing that 2 pod is running and 1 pod goes in the pending state because of the, if you describe this pod or K describe deployment, you will see scale here progressing. Okay, here you will not finding it, but control 2 is available, 1 is not available. Okay, we'll describe pod, and what the pod name is, this name. So insufficient CPU. So now we need to check the CPU, how much CPU is remains. Describe nodes, node 01. Now here if you will see, it is because that one is in pending state. So it is not captured this 300 request limit. And here you will see 725 means already only 250 is left. So you need to check this allocated memory resources for your the question, and then you have to proceed accordingly. So this allocated, if all the allocated is within your range, means after consuming that 300 20% should be left, means here it should be 80%. Means if you are asking about the overhead, if overhead you take 10%, then here maximum 90% should be there, and your all pod would be working. So you can edit pod like that and solve. If you find any issue, then please comment again. We'll make a detailed video. Still video is there. So hope I answered your query. Thank you so much for your love and support.